Local SEO is the process of optimizing your online content for the purpose of getting found by local customers. It's similar to traditional SEO, but with a few key differences. For example, while traditional SEO focuses on ranking for keywords that are relevant to your business on a national or global scale, local SEO is all about ranking in the local search results on a search engine. What are the benefits of local SEO? As a small business owner, you know that marketing is important to drive new customers through your doors. But with so many options and a limited budget, how do you choose where to focus your efforts? Local SEO is a great option for businesses that want to increase their visibility in search engine results pages without breaking the bank. Here are 4 benefits of local SEO that every small business owner should know. Increased visibility in SERPs. One of the main benefits of local SEO is increased visibility in SERPs. When you optimize your website and Google My Business listing for local keywords, you're more likely to show up in the results when potential customers search for those terms. And since most people don't go past the first page of results, it's important to make sure your business is as visible as possible. Improved brand awareness. When potential customers search for your business on Google, they are more likely to click on one of the top results than a listing at the bottom of the page. Improved customer experience. If a potential customer can't find your business online, then they are likely to look elsewhere. When you dominate the first page of SERPs, you're more likely to receive new customers and improve your customer experience. Improved search engine rankings. If your business is located in the same city as a competitor, then you need to make sure that your business is listed first. When you let a competitor dominate the first page, it's only fair to assume that they are going to receive more visitors than you will. How to optimize your site for local SEO. If you're a business with a physical location that relies on customers coming to you, then local SEO is a must, just like traditional SEO. Local SEO is all about ranking higher in search engine results pages. But while regular SEO focuses on ranking for generic keywords, local SEO is all about ranking for keywords that are relevant to your city or region. Here are some tips on how to optimize your site for local SEO. Include your city or region in your titles and tags. Optimize your website for mobile. More and more people are using their phones to search for businesses, so it's important that your site is mobile friendly. Claim your Google My Business listing. This will help ensure that your business appears in Google Maps and other Google properties. Add structured data markup to your website. The importance of reviews in local SEO. One important factor in local SEO is reviews. Online reviews are seen as one of the most important signals for whether a business is trustworthy, and they can impact organic search rankings. In addition, customers are more likely to visit a business that has positive reviews. Therefore, it's important for businesses to encourage their customers to leave reviews on popular platforms like Google My Business, Yelp, and Facebook. By doing so, businesses can improve their local SEO and attract more customers. Tips for success with local SEO. Here are some tips to help you get started with local SEO. First, make sure your website is optimized for local search by including your city and state in your titles and tags. Secondly, create listings on popular local directories and review sites like Yelp and Google My Business. Finally, use social media to connect with potential customers in your area and promote your business online. By following these simple tips, you can improve your chances of success with local SEO and attract more customers to your business.